Hey guys, Robert Lund here with Realty One Group Skyline, and today I am at Southshore Pointe, Ruskin, Florida. It's called the Town at Southshore Pointe. Now this is about 186 townhouses, strictly townhouse community, guys. No CDD. About roughly $350, I think, for the HOA. And that includes your internet. There's going to be a community pool with cabanas. If you're not familiar with my channel, guys, check out all my community tours. Plenty of townhouses, plenty of villas, plenty of single families covering all of South Hillsborough County, Manatee County, Lakewood Ranch. Once again, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, keep your notifications on. I put these videos out once or twice every single week, guys, and always posting updated shorts with different inventories, different things coming to the area that you might want to be kept informed about. If not, give me a call, guys, 941-879-4730. But with no further ado, these townhouses are by Lennar, guys. There's 3 models in here, ranging in the low 300, just under 300,000, mid to high 200s, guys. So prices are subject to change all the time. So just for dating purposes, I do not want to state the prices, because as they sell, sometimes the prices go up, guys, and incentives go up and down. Right now, there are huge incentives, guys, like huge incentives, and there's an extra 3% for homes that can close, I believe, in June or July for the quick move-ins. So but that, like I said, subject to change at any time, guys. And plus, I'll give you an extra $1,200 cash back for using me as your real estate agent for this transaction, guys. So anytime you guys want to see one of these models, give me a call. I'll either meet you over here or have my partner Jessica here waiting for you. 941-879-4730. Check out robertlund.com. Go on my new construction tab, guys, and look at all the inventory. Check out my reviews. Check out my YouTube channel, like I said, guys. And there's a mortgage calculator if you want to see what your payment might be, or if you need help with that, guys, reach out to me directly. So right now we're going to do a tour of the 2 models, one being 1,541 square feet. That's the Glenmore behind me, which are available in the N units. Those are 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And then we have the interior units, which are the Hamptons, and those are 1,634 square feet, and those are 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So yeah, guys, let's go check them out. All right, guys, so this is an end unit. This is the Glenmore. It is 1,541 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath. And then the larger 3 bedroom units are gonna be interior units, and that's gonna be the Hampton at 1,634 square feet. So as you walk in under a covered entryway, let me just shut this door. They all have 1-car garages, guys. As you can see, a spacious open layout as you walk in the front door. Half bath on the first floor. So your garage entry right here. Real tiny, I guess you could make it a little drop zone. Walk into the back of the garage. And there you have it. Your hot water heater. Comes with your hurricane shutters. Nice light. Come in here, tile floors. Gonna have just like granite countertops. Little dining area here. Then out the back door, you're gonna have a little covered patio. Tiny backyard, not bad, pretty good sized yard actually. So you have looks like about 30 feet, 35 feet back there. You have a good sized kitchen with your white shaker cabinets. Stainless steel appliances are included. Pantry right here. Like I said, guys, these would be great. These are great for investment. These are great for first-time home buyers. If you want to be close to Tampa, you want to be close, you're about 10 miles from the Skyway Bridge. You're maybe 25 to 30 minutes to downtown Tampa. And then you're about, I would say, 35 minutes to the UTC Sarasota area. Come up here and you have a little bit of a loft area, so you could put like a desk, something like that there, guys. Come in here is your laundry. Now, one thing with Lennar, as you know, guys, everything is included. All your cabinet hardware, all your, your washer and dryer, all your appliances, your blinds, ceiling fans, everything is included. Here's your AC unit right here, very quiet as it's running right now, can't even hear it. This is your master. Like I said, it's a 2-bedroom unit, 1,541 square feet. It's your walk-in closet, guys, attic access there. Master bath with the double vanity. Tile shower. Granite tops on the vanities as well, guys. And this is your master bed, which is a pretty big master bedroom. All that space over here. All that space here. And then most of the time you're gonna be either on the water or a preserve. So, great views from the masters, or the primary bedroom, as they call it to be politically correct. And here's your secondary bedroom, and this has a walk-in closet as well, guys, and its own bathroom. So it's kind of like you have two primaries. They both have their own bathroom, which is nice. So if you're a small family, this is a great layout. Like I said, you could put a desk here and a computer if you need an area like that. Not bad, guys, not bad. Even right there's a little space for something. So keep that in mind, guys. Good size, comes with a laundry room versus, say, in most townhouses you get a laundry closet. So let's go check out the Hampton, which is a bit bigger. It's a 3-bedroom model, 1,634 square feet. I'm gonna go over there right now. See you there in a second. All right, guys, so we're just wrapping things up in this model. That's how fresh this community is. Only been about 10 closings. Like I said, on 186 units. Can't beat it, guys. Really can't beat it for the pricing. If you're looking for a new home that's gonna appreciate over time, Ruskin's doing nothing but transforming as we speak. It's undergoing major renovations. Tons of communities are breaking ground. Not as much as Parish, but it's transforming, guys, and they will appreciate. It is the next to blow. There's plenty of land in Ruskin. This whole region, Ruskin, Wamama, Parish, these 3 towns were the untapped frontier. As you can see, guys, this has the espresso. So this one is, like I said, 1,634 square feet. So now you have probably more of an area. I would say put your dining right there. It's kind of similar to the other one, but it's definitely, I think, little bit bigger of an area right here. Has that same half bath here. And then, like I said, 3 bedrooms on the top. Still got the covered lanai. And then some of these, like I was just pointing out to this backyard, was some of these units, they'll have a fence already in the back. So if it backs up to like the neighborhood like that, which is nice because it's still a little bit private, right? So at least you don't have like a row. I don't think any of them are gonna have other townhouses backing up to it the way that the community's set up. So as you can see in the aerials. Come up here, guys. And you have 2 bedrooms here. So you'll have, hall bath. bit of a loft area, a little bit, guys. So I mean, you could even, I don't even know, you could be creative and set something up here. You have a nice linen closet, laundry room with the washer and dryer. Master bath. It's about the same size, huge master bedroom here. Walk-in closet. Similar setup to the other one, just a little bit different. So it just feels like the bigger area right here, for sure. So, you know, I don't know what you could do here, but you could definitely, at the minimum, put a desk right here. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this tour. Once again, like I said, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, check out my channel, check out all my tours, check out the other townhouses and the villas I've been putting up if that's the market that you're in. Got plenty of deals on there. I'm always posting shorts. I post a lot in the market, Facebook marketplace as well, so look for me on there. Look at my profile, you can look at my inventory. Go on robertlunt.com, go to the new construction tab. If you want to talk to me, guys, shoot me a call or a text, 941-879-4730. Take advantage of all the great incentives that these builders are offering right now. Interest rates might be high, but you can beat them out and beat them down with these incentives and buy down the rate, guys. So keep that in mind. You don't have to be trapped by these interest rates. You can take the incentive. The builders know how to play the game, and they're giving you all this extra money and to buy down the rate, which, as you know, guys, when you're buying down the rate, it like $5,000 goes a lot further buying down the rate than it does, you know, you're gonna buy down the rate a whole point, which is gonna save you, you know, almost $300 a month, versus if you took it off the price, it's only gonna save you about $25 a month. So that's crazy, right? So do the math on that, guys, and if you need any help with those equations, like I said, give me a call, 941-879-4730, and take advantage of my rebate as well. Have a great day.